This is naloxone, an injection which has brought Jamie back from the brink of a heroin overdose 3 times.
If it wasn't for this, I wouldn't be here, for one, and many people that I know, my friends, wouldn't be here either.
So naloxone has saved your life?
I've been pronounced dead 3 times. This stuff brought me back to life.
Until the age of 22, Jamie's life was all about boxing. He worked his way up the amateur leagues as a teen before landing a professional contract worth £500,000.
During that contract, I had got into an altercation in a bar and I ended up losing my boxing licence. My whole life was revolved around making sure I'm on weight for all the competitions, getting up at 5 in the morning and going for 5-mile runs, then going to the gym. Once that had all been taken away from me, I was just sat around with no purpose.
Jamie started drinking, then taking drugs, then harder drugs, until his life fell apart.
I ended up homeless. I slept in doorways, and this is somebody who had everything to somebody who had nothing.
It took years for Jamie to beat his addiction. Along the way, he decided to become a drugs worker and deliver the drug that saved his life to others.
I'm all about the helping people business now. Rather than being a drain on society, I'm trying to make society better.
In 2021, the Welsh Government funded an 8-week pilot in Newport to train people with lived experience of addiction, like Jamie, to give naloxone to those at risk of overdose. It was so successful that it was extended across Wales. Chris Fraser's a chief inspector at Dyfed-Powys Police. She believes people like Jamie can open doors that are currently closed to the police.
He's got an in to that community that we just don't have at the moment. So it's really important to work with individuals like Jamie to show that trust and that level of empathy, and to enable him to help us and help the community.
And it won't stop here. Now that people like Jamie are delivering naloxone, it's hoped they'll go even further to keep people safe on the streets.
We've got the service users and the staff with the time and the appetite to deliver these clinical interventions to help reduce drug-related deaths and drug-related harms. So from here now we go on to the needle exchange, then the safe sex, the condoms, try blood spot testing for reducing the harms around bloodborne viruses.
Step by step, people like Jamie are being empowered to rebuild their lives by saving the lives of others.